Welcome to Decision. This is where clarity replaces guesswork. Once a deal is found, this is where you can understand whether this deal actually works. Not emotionally, but financially. So let's have a look at the stacked deal view. When you open a property, you'll see what we call the stacked deal. Everything layered in one place. Purchase price, stamp duty, legal costs, refurb costs, finance costs, rental incomes, yield, return on investment, comparables, max offer guidance. Instead of switching between spreadsheets and calculators, it's all here, structured, transparent and editable. So how do we adjust the deal? Here is the important part. These numbers aren't just fixed. You can adjust. You can adjust your refurb costs, your rental assumptions, your deposit percentage, interest rates, exit values, and instantly see how the return on investment and yield change. So this is where you pressure test the deal. What if the refurb is higher? What if the rent is lower? What if rates increase? You don't need another spreadsheet. You just adjust it and see the outcome in seconds. So why does this all matter? Most delays in property don't come from bad maths. They come from uncertainty. Let me just double check that again. I'll look at it tonight. I need to run it through my spreadsheet. Decision removes that hesitation. It gives you clarity fast enough to move before momentum disappears. So let's go ahead now and open one of your deals. Adjust one variable and see how it impacts your return. Once you've understood how quickly you can model scenarios, you'll never analyse deals the old way again. So next we'll move on to management.